Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a fantastic and very simple letter pastel design. So it is very gorgeous and you can learn something from here to the end of the video. So now I'm gonna talk, let's begin today. So what I need to do, I need to brush to build all the things, black and a little bit smaller and keep to the counter side to clear the object. I'm keeping to the counter side. So we're ready to go to the where I'm gonna here just to show you how to put a poster design. So I'm gonna here just to go first of all go to the dashboard. See, as you can see. So go to the typing tool. I'm just type. So it'll be bigger. And just to it'll be here. But type B, and I need to select this one and bigger. Let it be a like let it be bigger. That I think it's okay. So what I'm going to do, I just go to the create to the outline and I just select to the direct selection. It just on our side. And it's just a little bit bigger. Here like that by pressing shutter more. So this all and select it. Sorry, select all the things. Gradient. Okay, it's done. So get to the back to the where get to the effect widget and get to the pixelate and go to the Maslint. Go over here and I think a little bit smaller. It will be more clear. Go to the long there. Okay. Okay. Just like that. So need to go over here there. So okay. There. Oh, much. Yeah, I think it's okay. So fine. So I need to do. I go to the this scan over here. There is like and get span appearance. And I need now just strap. Go to the class here and just to class there. I think it's okay. The picture, but just to create this one like that. So I think just to go to the arrange and go to the back. I think if there, I think it's okay. Okay, but like that. It's there. Okay, gotta be there. Okay, so I think a little bit upper side there. Okay, it'll be no that. It's okay. So this role, I think, much more better. It'll be good, 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 and it's like good. It, it's okay. So it's okay, I think. So I need to basically to select all the things, go to the windows, and go to the appearance, go to the opacity, go to the mask, to the like that. You see how is plastic. See, it's further down. So I need it exactly like that. So good one, and I need it now just to go to the a little bit smaller like that, and I think a little bit bigger. Go to the left center there. Okay, so right now go to the okay. I will put it center, but go to the rectangle tool, and yeah, it's okay. So put it like that. I need it just to finish to the front side. Over here, put that. It's okay. So I need to just change the color. What's this color? I think okay, that one. I think it's okay. So you see how it's matching all the things over here. See? So this is all. Thanks for watching.